Tom. Tom. Wake up.
Where am I?
Oh, Tom. Let's not go through this again. We've been through it all. We don't want to be having the same conversations every day now, do we?
Who are you?
Tom.
Tom.
It's like you're not listening to me. And I hate it when people don't listen to me! I'm sorry. Here we go. Welcome to my home. I hope you enjoy it. Excuse me.
That's my phone.
It is. This is also your girlfriend?
Don't you tell her. Give it to me.
Why? I know how the conversation goes. Della, help! Save me! Some insane man is catching me! Come help me! Why do you think I am insane?
I don't think I ever said.
I asked you a question. Why do you think I'm insane?
I never said you can say.
I asked you a question. Answer me!
I don't know how much.
It's okay. You don't know, that's fine. Or maybe Della knows. Shall we give her a ring?
You were allowed to you there. Just let me go.
Why are you so eager to leave, Tom? You're in my home. I have given you my hospitality. Is something not satisfactory?
Fuck you.
I led you into my home, and this is how you speak to me? Look at me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Look at me! It's okay, Tom. I'm sorry, Tom. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay, Tom. I forgive you. We are friends.
Just let me go.
I forgave you. Shut the fuck up.
You can't keep me here forever. People are gonna
Said shut the fuck up! Are you seeing what you are making me do? You have turned me into an awful house! I think it's time that you left.
No!
Goodbye.
No!
Promise, Tom.
No!
Hey Toth, it's me. Look, I'm a bit worried. It's been about 2 days. Just call me back when you get this. Love you.
Let me guess. Boyfriend troubles?